What are the eligibility requirements for nonprofit property tax exemptions? Imagine a charity or religious group wanting to save money on their property taxes. What rules do they need to follow to qualify for tax relief? Let's find out. First, the organization must own the property legally as of January 1 of the tax year. The property should be used mainly or entirely for the organization's exempt purpose on that date. If parts are used for other reasons, those parts may still be taxed. The property must serve a purpose recognized as exempt by law. This includes activities like religious worship, charitable work, education, scientific research, or health services. The organization must operate the property in line with these goals and not for profit. The organization needs to be a nonprofit entity. Usually, this is shown by having a valid federal 501(c)(3) status. This means the organization is officially recognized as a nonprofit by the federal government. It cannot benefit private interests or private shareholders, and its earnings cannot inure to private individuals. The organization must also submit an application for exemption to the local property appraiser's office. This application is often due by March 1st each year. If they miss the deadline, they might still apply within a limited time after receiving the tax notices. Supporting documents are usually required. These include proof of nonprofit status like the IRS determination letter, financial statements showing nonprofit operations, articles of incorporation, bylaws, and any state-issued exemption certificates if applicable. It is important to remember that the exemption applies only to the part of the property used for exempt purposes. Any commercial or unrelated use can make that part taxable. The ownership and use of the property must stay consistent throughout the year and be verified regularly. In short, to qualify for a nonprofit property tax exemption, an organization must own the property, use it mainly for approved charitable or religious purposes, have recognized nonprofit status, and submit the proper application with all supporting documents on time. Following these rules helps ensure that only properties genuinely used for public benefit receive tax relief.